Hey travelers, Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan is in March and you might be wondering, can you eat, drink or smoke in public while visiting Morocco? How can you respect the local culture while practicing your own freedom? Grab a glass of mint tea because I've got all the answers for your questions. First, what is Ramadan? Ramadan is a sacred month for Muslims worldwide. It's where you fast from dawn until sunset. No eating, no drinking, no smoking, and no intimacy during the day. As a traveler, you're free to eat and drink even if it's in front of people. Moroccans understand that you may have a different belief or religion. However, if you smoke, it is much appreciated to avoid doing it in public because fasting can be especially tough for smokers. Many cafes and restaurants close during the day and some for the entire month, but don't worry, there is places that they are open for travelers. That's it for this reel. Got more questions? Please feel free to drop them in the comments below or send us a direct message. Elias Baye, a tour guide with 15 years of experience. I will help you and assist you. Have an amazing time here in Morocco.